Good morning and welcome to Year 4 Maths with me, Miss Dowley. So let's start by writing the short date and underlining, and the learning objective. I can count forwards and backwards to 50 in steps of 1 and underlining. So let's start with this activity here. Can you count in steps of 2 to 30? Can you count backwards in steps of 2 from 30? Can you count in steps of 5 to 30? Can you count backwards in steps of 5 from 30? Can you count in steps of 1 to 50? Can you count backwards from 50 to 0? So we are practicing counting forwards and backwards to 50. So let's start at 1 and count along to 50. Point to the numbers as you go. Then start at 5 and count to 41. Start at 18 and count to 43. Start at 21 and count to 47. Practice this until you feel confident counting along to 50 from any number. Pause whilst you have a try. Now we're going to count backwards from 50 to 0. So again, point to each number as you count. Start at 50 and count backwards to 13. Start at 48 and count backwards to 2. Start at 47 and count backwards to 29. Start at 42 and count backwards to 19. Keep practicing until you feel confident. So now we're going to try going forwards and backwards from any number. So start at 4 and count forwards to 43. Start at 48 and count backwards to 5. Start at 8 and count forwards to 48. Start at 49 and count backwards to 20. Start at 50 and count backwards to 29. Remember, point to each number as you go and keep practicing. So here we have some sequence snakes. Can you fill in the missing numbers? Pause whilst you have a try. So lastly, do you have some cards at home? If so, see if someone will play a game with you. So the first game is pairs. You pick 2 sets of cards and you place them face down randomly in the middle of the table. You take turns to turn over 2 cards. If you get 2 that are the same, so 2 numbers the same, so 2 5s, then they are a pair and you get to keep them. And then you also get to have another go. The aim is to get the most pairs. Another game is snap. So deal out all the cards between 2 people. Take turns putting a card face down in a pile in the middle. When 2 cards of the same number are placed down, you shout snap, and whoever says snap first takes the pile of cards. The winner is the person with the most cards. Have fun. Thank you.